Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim Queen, and today I'm going to share with you how you can sell and promote high-ticket events on LinkedIn. So if you want to learn more about this opportunity of selling high-ticket, high-price events to an affluent user base on LinkedIn, keep on watching. This video is for you. Now, this is part one of a three-part series. In this part, we're going to talk about what you can do to promote your events. In part two, we're going to talk about how to do that exactly. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and part three is going to focus on how to do this on paid ad campaigns. Now, I have created my own event series and I've used LinkedIn as my #1 source to promote my event tickets. The event series is called Vivid Talks and has attracted over 1,500 people to attend in-person events in just under 1 year. I have a lot of experience promoting high-ticket events, both offline and online, from masterclass to in-person training to in-house trainings. So what you're going to learn today is 100% based on my own experience and what worked for myself and for my customers. So let's get straight on to the first tip. Now, tip #1, you have to use LinkedIn company pages to promote your event. Now, depending on how you're organizing your event, you might create several LinkedIn pages for your event. You might use your company brand to the company who's organizing the event. You might create a page dedicated to a specific event series, and then you can link all the different websites to it, make sure that people can follow your page to follow more updates. And you can also do a lot of stuff, cool stuff with your LinkedIn page. So what you want to do when you create your LinkedIn page, you want to optimize it, add a company logo, add your event logo, create a header image, ideally one of a past event. Make sure that you're linking to the correct event website, or you could just send to the booking form, and then make sure that you are updating at least one post on this page, which is sending people directly to your sign up form. This can be your pin post, so it's easy for anyone who's starting to discover your company page to sign up right there and then. Now, tip #2, you have to use LinkedIn showcase pages. Those are a subunit of your LinkedIn company page, and they allow you to promote specific events. For example, if I have the Vivid Talks company page, I can create a showcase page for a specific event that's happening in a specific city on a specific date. So I can share exclusive and only relevant material for just this one event in the showcase page. Now, this way, I can still get everyone to follow my main event page so they get updates when I go to a different city, to a different date, to another location. This will allow you to share all the details of this particular event with just the attendees. You're not bothering the people who can't attend because they're living in a different city or they can't attend on this specific date. So use LinkedIn showcase pages. Now, tip #3, you have to use your personal LinkedIn profile to promote your event. What you can do is you can create a custom banner and put this at the top of your profile, including the URL to your event. You can link the event company page to your work history, and you can make this your current work experience section. You can put it in your headline and put the URL of your event or the event name. It's also very important that you optimize your LinkedIn profile from top to bottom to make sure that people actually check out additional sections of your LinkedIn profile. If you want to learn more about how to optimize your profile, check out the link in the description for my LinkedIn profile optimization course. Now, tip #3 is you have to use LinkedIn events to promote your events on LinkedIn. You can create an event on the LinkedIn page for each individual date and time and location. And this will allow you to invite people to the event. You can also share information about this particular event with your attendees. And it's another great way how you can promote your event on the different content types. And that's something you should really keep in mind. Use all the different assets and all the different properties and all the different content types on LinkedIn, because each content type has the ability to be shared among other people. So the more content types you have, the more people can be exposed to your event and the more attendees you will be attracting. Now, tip #5 is you have to use LinkedIn groups. Now, don't go to any random industry groups and start spamming people. What I recommend instead, befriend the group moderator or start your own group, then ask them to promote the event for you, because when the group owner is posting something, you're getting a lot more reach. Plus, you have the social proof that this event has been approved by the owner itself, so it has more credibility and more likelihood of getting the attention of relevant people. And you might even be able to bribe the group owner by providing them some free tickets for your event. So make sure that you check out LinkedIn groups. You can also consider to create a LinkedIn group just for attendees of your event to get them even more ways how they can communicate with you, connect with you, how they can chat and network with different attendees. And that's another way how this can become like a self-fueling machine, which is like attracting more and more attendees over time and people talking to each other. And everyone is excited about attending the event. So make sure that you check out LinkedIn groups. Now, tip number 6 is you have to create premium content on LinkedIn, on different platforms, on different assets. And we're going to talk about how to do the exact content creation process to promote your high-ticket event in part 2 of this series. But for now, just realize you have to create content that is highly relevant for the people who would normally attend one of your events. You have to create selective content that is only way more interesting to the people attending the event than random people on the platform. So what we want to do is we want to use that content as a lead magnet to get the people's contact information. Once we have their contact information, we can then put them into an advanced automated marketing sequence and email marketing sequence to promote and warm them up to the event. So when they are ready to buy, you can just send them the ticket link. And you have another great way how you can, and this is one of the most powerful ways how you can sell high ticket events on LinkedIn. Now, tip number 7, you have to engage with other people on the LinkedIn platform. And the best way how you can engage with other people is to use content and get engagement in form of comments. Now, what you can do is you can build a network of highly influential people on LinkedIn. You can engage with their content on a regular basis, leave meaningful comments whenever they post something online. This will in return lead some of them to comment on your own posts. So when you are creating content on the platform, you will have some initial engagement. It's really important that you get initial engagement for your content to go viral. So start early. Don't start commenting on other people's content just 2 weeks before your event. You want to do this as a long-term strategy. Plan at least like 3 to 6 months of consistently engaging with other people's content. And you will see once you're starting promoting your own events, you will see a lot of the people you are commented on will come back and promote some of your posts. This will give you the initial momentum that you need in order to reach a much broader base of people on the LinkedIn platform. And this is the best probably starting conditions for a post to go viral. So make sure that you comment frequently and regularly, high quality, meaningful comments on people relevant to your industry who already have the audience of people you would like to buy your tickets to. Now, tip number 8 is you have to use messages to promote your event. And one of the best ways how you can promote your event in your target location is that you're identifying people in your core network who are already living at the event location. If you don't have a network yet, you can focus on building it. Find key influencers in your city and reach out to them via personal message. Invite them to your event. You might even give out a couple of free events in exchange for them promoting the event in your city. If you're reaching out to high-profile individuals, the likelihood that they are able to promote your event to just the right people is very high. And it's another great way how you can promote high-ticket events on LinkedIn. Now, in conclusion, you have to use LinkedIn company pages, you have to create showcase pages, you have to use your own personal profile, you have to create LinkedIn internal events, you have to use the messaging system, and you have to do networking if you want to promote high-ticket events on LinkedIn. So if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely love the next 2 parts of this series where I talk about premium quality content creation in part 2 and how to use paid advertising on LinkedIn in part 3 to promote your high-ticket events. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get an email notification once those 2 videos are up. If you have any questions about how to promote high-ticket events on LinkedIn, leave me your question down in the comment below. Or if you want to work one-to-one with me on the event promotion of your high-ticket events, check out the link in the description for my VIP one-to-one coaching packages. Please give this video a like and check out those videos over here and over here. And if you want to support me and my channel, also consider joining me on Patreon, where you get first-hand access on all of my future videos. You have the ability to vote on topic ideas and to submit questions before I record my new videos. So make sure that you check out the link. It's in the description as well. And I'll see you in the next one.